Hello and welcome to this little video. It's a sound demo video. It's for this beautiful drum. It's to accompany our Etsy listing for this drum. It's a 16-inch deerskin drum. It is on a, beechwood. It's on a beechwood frame. I put that on the inside of the frame. I've also put when it was birthed, which was the 16th of November 2023 in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's for your astrological information. I burnt in an image of a deer, a stag's head as well, just in there. It's got a pine wood handle. I think it's pine wood, it's a softwood. Very difficult to remember when you forage a lot of wood and store it for 12 months and you come back to it and, what was that again? But yeah, I think it's a pine wood. It's a softwood handle. It's it's laced with artificial sinew, which is great for resisting the effects of moisture. Deerskin is probably one of the most sensitive to moisture, as in it absorbs and releases readily, quite easily, so that affects its tension. So sometimes you have to tune it up, make it tighter before you play, or if it's very warm and dry, you might need to add some moisture to it before you play because it will be too tight. That's a general thing with all shamanic natural skin drums. Buffalo skin, horse skin, wild boar skin, deer skin. They're all goat skin. All the sort of same principles, and they react with moisture all slightly differently at different speeds and rates and things like that. But deerskin is on the side where it'll absorb moisture more readily than, say, a buffalo skin, which is a bit more resistant. So by having the artificial sinew, that cuts down on the amount of skin, because often we make these shamanic drums with Salish style lacing using skin for the lacing at the back, which then obviously is also affected by the moisture and the tension. So let's have a little play. So this has been in the house, in our centrally heated house, so it's got nice tension to it. It's not flat at all. But if it's very damp out here today, if I'm out here for more than an hour or so, it's going to start going looser, and the tone will drop. So you need to be aware of that also when listening to the video, thinking of the pitch, the tone that the drum's producing now may drop as the moisture content increases in the drum, and it'll go higher if it was very hot and dry. This is a soft beater. I'm going to swap over halfway and use a firmer beater. Here we go. Okay, and then somewhere under here, there's a firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum online. It's always very difficult. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.